What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy After Effects tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make this Saber-enabled Happy 4th of July animation, red, white, and blue. Let's get started. First off and foremost, this is technically a beginner tutorial. It's not that hard, but you may learn something. Let's get started. Okay, first off you need to download Saber. It's linked below. It's a free plugin. Install it. After that, you can do this. Next we need a new composition. Go ahead and make it 1920 by 1080, doesn't matter, 10 seconds. Then we're going to type out our text on screen. Great, our text is on screen. Let's scale it up real big and make it awesome. Next, what we want to do is create a new, right-click in here, do new solid. Click OK, doesn't matter what it's called. Then we'll type in saber right here, drag it onto here. It creates a saber. The preset, you can choose whatever you want. Let's just do something different. We'll start with green energy, it doesn't matter. Customize the core right here, core type saber. Text layer, Happy 4th, and source. And from here you can totally customize it. I'm going to make it a little less intense so it's easy to see. From here just play with the customization options to get it dialed into what you want. And we'll go ahead and make it red because we need to just do red, white, and blue. From here what we want to do is highlight both of these and do Control D or Command D on your keyboard to duplicate, drag up, do it again, and drag up. Grab this, let's make this red. Grab this one, let's make it white. Grab this one and let's make it blue because we're doing red, white, and blue. From here, you want to grab these two, right click and pre-compose. Right click and pre-compose. I'm not naming them because that just takes time and you already know how to do that. And then pre-compose. From here, grab the first one. Let's grab the pen tool at the top and let's just draw a mask. Doesn't have to be perfect for tutorial purposes. Click M on your keyboard with the mask selected, drop down on the mask, go to feather and feather it up. Pre-comp 2, grab the mask. I think you get what we're doing here. And then hit M on your keyboard, drop down on the mask, mask feather, and there you go. And from here you can adjust the mask. Otherwise, that's it. This is how you do it. Very, very easy. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget to scan the QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton. Peace.